Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to use Adobe Firefly for free. Start by opening your browser and searching for Adobe Firefly. Click on the first link in the search results. You'll see 4 options, one for Photoshop and the other 3 for Lightroom and Illustrator. These apps are necessary to use these 3 options with, and I have videos on my channel showing how to use them for free, so feel free to check those out. But today, we're focusing on the text-to-image feature. Click on Create on Firefly, and you'll be redirected to a page where you'll need to sign in with your Adobe account. You can sign in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. In my case, I'll use my Google account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one. And just like that, we're all set. Now let's type something unusual and see what results Firefly gives us. And there you have it. 4 images with some realistic results, though I was aiming for something different, but this looks more real and logical. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.